Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you, whether you're new or not new. I just wanted to thank you for your support. It means a lot. This morning I opened up my laptop and I was just kind of checking out some stuff, and I ran across a giveaway that Tekton is doing. So if you look here, it says you can select one item per day through December 31st. Each entry gives you one chance to win the selected item. So basically, yeah, this is on Tekton's website. So if you go to Tekton, tekton.com, just go to their main page, which I'll refresh this. It pops this up. It's looking like currently, I don't know if this is going to change each day, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 items that are on the giveaway. So I'm assuming it's going to be those 6 items all the way till the 31st. And it's looking like, if you look there, it says your total entries. Looks like you can put your entries on the same item every single day. So basically all you need to do is set up an account with Tekton. If you don't already have one, just set up the account, and then to enter, you just click the button to enter the giveaway, which I haven't done it yet. I literally just ran across this. It says must be signed in to enter giveaway. Enter once daily through December 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. So, and then I went to read official rules. Just so you know, there is no purchase necessary. So, to be eligible, you just have to be an approved member of Tekton. Which you can read all this yourself, but I'm just kind of summarizing for you. The way you enter, you just go to the website just like I showed you. You pick one of the 6 items, you click it, and that's it. It says limit of 1 entry per person per day will be accepted. Of course, it was saying something like you had to be over 18. Here we go. Must be over 18 years of age at the time of entry and be both a legal resident of and physically located in one of the 50 United States or the District of Columbia. So pretty simple. Live in one of those places, be over 18, have a Tekton account, pick what you want, click the button. Okay, here we go. Here's the prizes and values. So there's we'll start at the top here. 6-point socket set and ratchet set, 84 piece, MSRP of $260. Half-inch drive, deep 6-point impact socket set, $248 value. Stubby and standard length combination wrench, 50 piece, $245 value. The dead blow hammer set, 4-piece, $225 value. Plier set, 7-piece, looks like a total value of, well, actually, $125. There's one locking plier set for $68. One mini plier set for $88. So maybe they'll change that up each day. Let's go back to the other page. No, it's 3 different plier sets. So it's a total value of $281 for that one there. And then last but not least, the split beam torque wrench set for $240 value. So not a bad deal. I, like I say, wanted to just create this video and show you. I wasn't planning on doing a video today. I just ran across this. Today's the 26th of December, so we have another 6 days basically. So I'll be able to get 6 entries. I'm assuming this probably started yesterday. I had no clue about it. I didn't see any. I haven't got an email. There's been nothing put out. So anyway, check it out. Do it each day. See if you can win something. Hopefully I can win something, or you. I mean, someone's got to win. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do mine right now. I already have that. I have some of the wrenches. I think I'm just going to do for the impact socket set. So you click to enter giveaway. It says you can enter the giveaway for 1 item each day. Confirm. And there you go. It shows that I have entered now. And then if you look on the bottom there, your total entries go to 1. So, and then I'm just going to put a note in my calendar to remind me each day till the 31st to enter the giveaway. And then it may send me an email. If not, either way, if I win something, they have my address because I've ordered tools several times. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you just have something you want to say, leave a comment down below, but make sure you hit the bell to receive notifications and subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot more videos coming, so I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much.